Welcome back to another video, y'all. It's Olivia. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you are not new here, thank you for clicking on this video as well, because surely I appreciate the both of y'all. But as you can see by the title, we're just gonna be spending a very realistic Sunday together. I'm not calling this like necessarily a Sunday reset, even though there will be some resetting going on in this video, but we're just gonna spend a realistic Sunday together. This particular Sunday, usually I would go to church, but this particular Sunday, I am not going to physical church. I'm just going to watch a sermon on YouTube or something, which is really what I prefer anyways, but no shade, no tea, but that's really what I prefer anyways because it eliminates human interaction. But what I'm about to do right now, I'm trying to be in my Bible more as much as I'm in my bag, trying to be in my Bible too. So I'm just about to do a little bit of a Bible study. And then I got some thoughts on my mind too, so I need to journal this morning. So that's what I'm going to do. And then after that, because I said this is realistic, after that, I'm going to come back and kind of share with y'all like how I do Bible study and then what I wrote in my journal. Because your girl got some things on her mind. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and start that. Okay, y'all, so I'm sorry if I sound dry. I don't be really having a voice first thing in the morning. Instead of trying to like read whole chapters of the Bible, instead of doing that, now I just pick a verse each day to focus on. Hit one verse a day, just one verse. Put the date on it, and then I put the scripture, the chapter, and the verse. And then like I kind of break it down like down here. Well, for me, if I break it down like one verse at a time, like I can commit it to memory better. So if I'm going through something, I can like remember these verses that I've committed to memory. So I'm just regular like anybody else. Like I don't go around quoting scripture. You have to know God and Jesus for yourself. So that's that.
Woke you up this morning. Grace woke you up this morning. Don't become what we need to become by remaining what we are. You cannot consume fruit from a season where you weren't disciplined.
Hey, can I do a medium iced matcha latte, and instead of skim milk, could I get 2% milk, please?
Anything else?
That'd be all. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one.
Okay, so we are finally out the house just to run one errand, just one. We're just going to go pick up the groceries. I keep losing my train of thought. Does anybody else struggle with that? Like, is it just because I'm getting older? Like, I literally be losing track of my thought. Like, I think something and I lose it just that quick. Like, that's kind of scary because I'm not that old. That sermon this morning that I watched, that was definitely needed. That's why sometimes I just like staying at home and finding me something to watch on YouTube as far as sermon wise, because like it was just like right on. Like he was literally in my living room. Like yeah, he was in my living room on the screen, but I just felt like he was in my personal business. But I will link that sermon down below, and it's so crazy because I swear God works in very mysterious ways. Okay, so this is just a quick little grocery haul. I'm back home. Y'all, they took forever to get my groceries. Like, they really, like, I think I was waiting for, like, 45 minutes almost. I really could have just gotten it myself. Like, I had to call them just to make sure my stuff had checked in. But y'all wouldn't believe all the stuff costs like almost $50, like, which is insane. Like, groceries is just too high right now. But I just got these green beans for my lunch meal prep. Some more yogurt for like my yogurt parfaits that I make sometime for breakfast or like a snack. Some chicken thighs for the week, some grapes, some blueberries, some more coconut water. This Thai style sweet chili sauce. I don't know if I touched on these protein bars, frozen strawberries. And then I got some more of the Karma drinks, which was in my last 2 videos because I am obsessed now. So this is the probiotic water with over 2 billion active cultures in there. So yes, this is a quick little grocery haul. So I'm gonna put all this away, do my little meal prep real quick, and then we'll move on with the rest of the day. Okay, so what I'm just doing now is like planning out my content for the week. So I have like this whole content calendar, but sometimes when I be planning content out for the month, I be changing my mind. So I'm trying to figure out, because I wasn't supposed to film today, but I'm glad I did. I'm trying to figure out what I want to post first. So this is just like my content calendar with all the ideas, and then this is the weekly planner. So I wrote gym down here just so I don't forget what days I said I was going to the gym this week, but mainly this is a content planner. And then like I may put like a few little other stuff that I have to do for the week, but this is mainly for content for my 2 channels. So the purple one is my fitness channel, and then the blue one is this channel that y'all are watching right now. I just bought this pen. I finally got it. Well, I've been had this iPad for about 2 months now, and I finally got a case for it. And I got the pen, but this is not like the Apple pen, because I was not gonna pay like, what was it, like $100 or $200, something like that. I was not about to pay that. So I just got this one off of Amazon for like $20. And I love this thing. Like, this is my first time using this thing. I love this thing. But what I'm about to do is just take this, and I carry my iPad around more than like this sheet of paper. I don't know, y'all. I just be having to have like stuff written down on paper and digitally, like in my calendar. So I'm gonna put all this, what I wrote right here, I'm just gonna put it on my digital weekly planner too. So just a little insight how I be planning content, because half the time I don't be knowing what I'm doing. I figure it out along the way. But just in case anybody is interested, turn my music back on, but I ain't gonna turn it too loud though, because YouTube be trying to copyright you real fast. So yeah, this is the digital planner, and basically I'm just about to go through and do the same thing in like different colors. Let's see. So like today, and I'm gonna do this in a minute, because yeah, I've been kind of slipping on my other channel, which I need to get together, but I've been having a lot going on. So I'm gonna show y'all me posting this video too. I'm trying to do this, see if I can do it both. Let's see. No, that's ugly. Let me set the camera up. I'm gonna get better at writing on this thing and get used to it. Like I said, I just got this pen, so excuse my ugly hair.
We both still young, so what's the rush? Tonight is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. You like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man don't make you miss it. I'm saying, you come here, I knock you out the damn frame. Remember that last time special champagne. Remember that last time I wish it there was champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. On my mind.
Okay, so this is what we got so far, but of course, like, I'm gonna play around with it. But if y'all don't use Canva, what are you doing? Especially the Pro feature. I think Pro is like $12.99 a month, but Canva's like really good. So I got everything planned out. Anyway, I got everything planned out on digitally, then I got that. So now, really, my work day or all my tasks are finally complete. And I can chill and eat some food. But yeah, chill and eat some food. And I was gonna buy me something to eat, but my dad just came home and he had leftovers. And it's like grilled food from the weekend, so, well, from yesterday. So I'm definitely just gonna eat that. Cause we got some baked beans, some chicken, some hamburgers and hot dogs. So I'm gonna always opt for grilled food. So I'm just eat that and then catch up on some YouTube. Some of the YouTube girlies, but I feel like today's been a productive day and I may or may not come back on camera. I don't know yet. We'll see. So we are back in the bonnet. We've done a full complete day. This was a realistic Sunday for me. I've done everything. I done got all my stuff ready for tomorrow. My workout clothes is over there. My work clothes is right there. I ain't showed in this video because I will be doing like some routine videos soon, so stay tuned for that. But yes, I just showed that in this video, but I am burnt out on television for the day, so I think I need to read a little bit. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.